Assalamu alaikum. Let's consider a class with 30 children or 30 students. One student learns quickly, one struggles to read, one another one understands better through visuals. But the teacher teaches everyone exactly the same way. And when some of the students they fail, we blame the child. But what if the problem is not with the child, but the teaching method? Today we are going to talk about differentiated instruction, the teaching method Pakistan is missing. And for that, we should know the reality of a Pakistani classroom. And the reality is that there is one textbook in the classroom which is being taught, one lecture, one exam, and the same pace. But classrooms contain fast learners, slow learners, students with learning disabilities, different thinking learners, multilingual learners, yet teaching never changes. This is why capable students they fall behind. Now, what is differentiated instruction? Differentiated instruction means teaching the same concept in different ways so that every student can learn. Teachers can differentiate content by showing different materials or difficulty levels. Number two, they can differentiate the process through different activities to understand the concepts. And last but not the least is the product. Different ways a student can showcase their end product or show learning. For example, instead of only writing an answer, students they can explain verbally, they can draw a concept map, and they can complete a project, or they can solve a real life problem. Now, why Pakistan needs this in differentiated teaching urgently? There are three major reasons. One is there is undiagnosed learning disabilities. Many students with specific learning disorder are labeled as weak. Differentiation helps them stay in mainstream classrooms. Number two is, overcrowded classrooms. Teachers think differentiation is impossible, but by using simple strategies, they can do the flexible grouping or tiered assignments or multiple explanations. And the third is rigid assessment system. Traditional exams reward memorization and not understanding. And with the help of differentiated teaching, we can support real learning. And now come to what schools must change. There should be three changes our schools need. Number one, teacher training in inclusive pedagogy, flexible curriculum, and alternative assessments. Without these changes, inclusive education cannot succeed. Now, what we should understand one thing: children, they do not fail because they cannot learn. They fail because the system refuses to teach them differently. If we truly want inclusive education in Pakistan, we must move beyond one size fits all teaching, because every child learns differently and every child deserves a chance to succeed. I hope this message goes to every student, to every institution, to every teacher, to every policy maker, and we should immediately start our differentiated teaching instructions in our classrooms. Thank you so much. Please like, share, and follow my page in my YouTube channel so that my voice can be heard in every nick and corner of our Pakistan. Thank you so much.